Let's make the juiciest, crispiest skin turkey ever that's gonna impress everyone this holiday season. You're gonna need a huge lidded cooking device. I'm using an 18-inch granite cooker from Walmart. I grabbed a 13-pound frozen bird and threw it in the fridge for 3 days until almost totally defrosted. Open up your bird inside of your cooking device and put anything that was inside of the bird, like the innards and the neck, right on the bottom of the pan for gravy purposes later. Season every part of your bird with a hefty amount of coarse sea salt and freshly cracked coarse black pepper. Really rub your meat, then throw it in the fridge for at least 24 hours. After 24 hours, melt your favorite garlic herb butter and inject it equally into both breastises. Everything you stuff inside the bird gets thrown away because we can't guarantee that gets to the same safe temperature that the outside does. The combo of sage and thyme is kind of the traditional flavor of American Christmas and Thanksgiving, but you use what you prefer. Add a quarter cup melted clarified butter, aka ghee, then really rub your meat. Toss into a preheated 350 Fahrenheit oven for 2 hours. Look at this top, doesn't even close all the way. That's fine, it needs to be cracked anyway. After a couple hours, take it out and wrap up the parts most likely to burn with aluminum foil. Make sure that you have a meat thermometer in the thickest part of the breast, and we're aiming for 180 Fahrenheit. Raise your oven to 430 Fahrenheit and bake uncovered another 1 hour and 10 minutes. I promise you'll have one of the juiciest yet crispiest birds ever. This one's gonna impress your family, guaranteed. She juicy. Look, woo, she juicy. This one is guaranteed to impress every member of your family. Click that plus if you haven't followed me yet. Thank you so much for the support. Now